In this video, I'll show you how to fix GeForce installation cannot continue. Now first what you want to do is try and update your driver. So come down here and search for Device Manager. Now in here what you want to do is find your display adapters, right click on it, and then update driver. Now that's all for this one. It's really simple. Just press update driver and do the automatic one, or you can manually choose the one that you want to update. Now after that, what you want to do is come down here and search for this PC, open up your C drive, and in here you want to look for your hidden folders. Now Windows 10 you can do it by pressing View, click Hidden Items, and on Windows 11 there should be a little button that you can press Sort By, and then choose that you want to see hidden items as well. In here you want to open up Program Data. Now from Program Data what we want to do is find NVIDIA Corporation. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to look for our driver. So come into Downloader, where is that? Here, Downloader. And you should see a folder with some big numbers. Now let me just open up GeForce Experience real quick and let me show you. Now in this folder one, I should have a version 561.09, and inside my GeForce Experience, it should hopefully match each other. Now if you have different folders, let's say you have more these numbers, what you can do is look in each of them and you can check for the one that fits your driver. Now in GeForce Experience, if you head over to drivers real quick, let it load for a little bit, and you should be able to see your driver type. Now let's just check in 1 second and I'll be back. Right, so you see 56109. If I open this one, it's 56109. So it matches. Now if this doesn't match, you will have another folder where it matches. So simply run it from the folder, double click it, and run the installation, and it should be good to go. Now after that, it should be fixed, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.